my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
I just woke up now. You know why? Because to do this, my life is filled with reaction videos. There's no looking back, guys. My voice is still not back. So I think I should do male hosting now. Okay. Somebody hire me, please. Prabhas, Sahana song. There's a lot of things that you guys have suggested. Let's do a teaser reaction. And then tomorrow I can bring you the songs. So I just saw one of the comments from my subscribers. I'm happy you achieved 13k subscribers. At the time, you only had 7 to 800 subs when he had joined the channel. He's the OG of our channel. Firstly, thank you so much for your kind words, and I'm really glad a lot of people has joined the channel. But the goal of this is to have 1 million subscribers. Do you think I'm crazy? But like he said, when he joined, it was like 7 subs or so. It was actually 0, but he later on joined at 7th. Do you think I'm really crazy, or is it possible? Say like it's possible. Just to keep my heart going, right? Okay. Enough with that. We have done it. We have reached what 13k subs now. So kudos to all of us for you guys to bearing me and for me to keep going. You know, it's not easy. And this cold. Fuck the cold, okay? Let's watch the Decoy teaser. Decoy teaser starring Advi Shesh, Mrunal Thakur, Anurag Kashyap, Prakash Raj, Sunil, Atul Kulkarni, Zain Marie Khan, Kamakshi Baskarla. Producer is Supriya Yarlagadda. Yay. Production company. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Song, I think there's a song in this one. Kanni Pettaru, Kannu Kottaru. Ooh, I read it. Lyrics, Bhuvana Chandra. Singers, SP Balasubramaniam and Chitra. Then what else is written? Kanna Pettaru, Kannu Kottaru song remixed by Gyani. Director is Chanel. Is it Chanel Dio? That's a classy name. Story and screenplay. Yeah, Advi Shesh and Chanel Dio. Script guidance and Telugu dialogues by Abduri. Music director Beams. So bored now. Let's just go for it. I hope you all go and read the description yourself as well. So there's no confusions. Okay, I've read it, but yeah, I've turned on the captions. My throat. Let's go.
ఏం చెప్పినావు?
వాళ్ళు ఎన్ని వేసుకుంటా ఉంటారు, మనం వాళ్ళు వేసుకోవడానికి తప్పులేదని చెప్పినాం అని అమ్మ
ఒప్పుకున్నారా?
Who's in messing with?
వచ్చేసినది. కొన్ని ముద్దు పెట్టదా?
Music. Reminder brought you later. Are we burglars? Criminals. Yeah, they're criminals. And we... Is this like money heist? Mrinal, the cutie girl.
నీకు వచ్చినప్పుడే వచ్చినాడు, వచ్చినప్పుడే పొమ్మంటా ఉన్నారు. దొంగనే
Decoy.
ఓకే 1 2 1 2
March 19th. It's releasing after my birthday. This Ugadi. They shouldn't add this much music in a teaser because I cannot monetize this. It's just sad. I'm sad internally. I woke up to watch this. Like last 3 videos we reacted to. Nothing has been monetized. It's all fucking free, okay? Just so like the video. I'm coming to your house. if you don't like the video. Okay, so let's talk about this. Literally, the title itself, dacoit, as in they're gang members who are gonna rob the city, right? And it seems like he has a girl member who is his the partner who is gonna help him with the heist. As they go for the heist, he also tries to hit on her. Do you want to kiss? As he asked, right? Apart from the joke that I told you earlier, the song was actually good. It kept the pace going, gets you interested into the whole teaser, and kept me bouncing. So a heist kind of a movie always has the cops behind them, and it seems like he also went to the bars. Maybe he might come out clean. I don't think so. I don't think so. As a movie, probably not. He might go back to his ways, or she might change him. But she is also a dacoit, right? So like, what's the point? What's the point that I'm trying to make? Anyways, it's gotta be a thrilling watch. So stay tuned on March 19th after my birthday. It's released. So, so let's check out the comments and then end this. Yeah. Silently Editor is in the God mode. The editing was actually good. It's clean. It's a clean picture. Editor should be applauded for this fabulous cut. Fire. Absolutely salute to my editor brother who has done a good job, right? It was very fast paced, good transition, and cleanly cut. BGM start aite, goosebumps guaranteed. He loves the music. It's a song. It's not even a BGM, it's a song. Sheshana fans, hit a like. Don't forget. He said it. You do it here. Kanda Petaro track repeat mode le undi. Play it on repeat because this one, like I told you, you can watch it on my channel because I'm gonna put it on full music, blast it inside. Watch it in a TV, put it in full speakers, blast it, irritate your neighbors. Shut up, Sia. Teaser editing matram super. Everybody is just appreciating the editor. They don't care about the movie at all. But yeah, he needs the kudos because he has done a good job. Definitely, I'll see you in the theater. Good job, man. You should also go watch. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon, and I will see you next time. On what? Let's do songs. Next would be songs. I'm trying to fit in the fight scene, but I'm not getting a gap because teaser, trailer, songs, teaser. It keeps releasing. What can I do? So we have to cover that and then let's go for the fight scene. Okay, so bye.
No filter, I got no